Hello everyone, my name is Siddharth Saini. Today I'll be showing you how to diarize a receipt and send it to the concerned person. First we'll open eOffice. We'll log in with our email ID and our computer password. We'll go to File Management System. Click on Receipts. Browse and diarize. We'll upload the file. I've already downloaded one DP letter, so I'll be using that. It's getting uploaded. It's uploaded. This is how it looks. Now we'll diarize it by hand. Mode number not necessary. In case you want to put in the details of the courier, reference number, or whatever may be. In case you want to upload the PDF copy of an email also, you can do that. Now it is a letter, file number say DPE -7 4 diary date we cannot change because this is the date when we are diarizing it, so we cannot change that. Received date we can, maybe we have received the letter yesterday and we are diarizing it today, so we can change the received date. I'll keep this as 30th only. Letter date is 12/02/2020, right? 12/02/2020. VIP none. Ministry of Heavy Industries. Department none. Name of the person who sent the letter, Nitin. Designation is Joint Director. See, for the timing, I'll just write Udyog Bhavan. See, sorry. Complex. You can put in as many details as you want because this will help you search for the concerned receipt in future. So right now I'm not putting in much details. Sub main category we can write something. General Parliament Procurement. Say procurement. And the subject will write procedure for payments for goods, services to sellers, service providers in GEM through PMS and by agencies. So I'll be generating this receipt. Now, this particular receipt has been generated. Fine. I'll be able to view this receipt in the created folder. Procedure for payments, this one, right? Now, in case I want to send this to someone, I'll open it. click on send on the left hand side, and I'll write the concerned person's name. Say for example, I'm sending it to Mr. Vasav Mahajan. Vasav Mahajan. And I'll click on send. Now it has gone to my sent folder. This one. And it has gone to Mr. Vasav Mahajan. I can again pull back because Mr. Vasav Mahajan has not seen this particular receipt as of now. In case he opens it, then this option will go away, pull back. Right now I can pull back this particular receipt also. So I'll click on pull back. My remarks I can write sent by mistake. This is as if I'd sent the file, it is on the way, but I want to pull it back because I'd sent the file by mistake. So I'm pulling it back. So it has come back. Now this particular file is in my inbox. I'll again try to send it to Mr. Vasav Mahajan. Send. Vasav. It has again gone to my sent folder. Now I'll open the inbox of Vasav. Just a sec. I'll sign out and log in with Vasav Mahajan's details. I've already taken his password just for the sake of making this video. File management system again. Receipts. And this is his inbox. This was the receipt that Mr. Siddharth Saini has sent. Now all the details are there, movement details also. I'd created this particular receipt. I'd sent it to Vasa. I pulled it back. Then I again sent it to Vasa. See? Now Vasa can also send it back to either Siddharth or anyone else. So for the timing, I'll send it back to myself. Just not coming. Yeah. I've sent it back. Vasav could have sent it to someone else also, or maybe he could have put it in a file and moved a file for approval. I'm signing out. Thank you. This is it.